Hi there, I'm Michelle. I was the Director of Content at the Comedy Network and later Senior Director of Comedy at CBC. Let me tell you how we can up your writing game in just 24 months. First, this is an online program, meaning you can take the program at your own schedule. You'll become skilled at writing sitcoms, feature films, dramas. You'll learn the art of showrunning and discover effective techniques for pitching your scripts, transforming them into sellable commercial formats, ready for production. You'll graduate qualified for a number of roles, from screenwriter to story editor, development exec, and so much more. Our faculty have premiered their work at TIFF, Cannes, and other festivals around the globe, and have written films and TV series for CTV, Netflix, Teletoon, HBO, Showcase, and so much more. The school is led by Andrew Barnsley, Toronto Film School president and one of Canada's leading executive producers. In this program, you'll become fluent not only in writing for the screen, but with the business of screenwriting. This means you'll come to understand financing, including grants and tax incentives. You'll learn Canadian copyright law, distribution and marketing, the roles of agents, lawyers, and managers. Sometimes our students' screenplays are so remarkable that they win industry awards before graduation, like our online writing student Andrew Hops, when he won an Inroads Screenwriting Fellowship for his sci-fi comedy pilot, Time Hustlers. I have to say, as a program director, moments like these are truly satisfying to see. Toronto Film School, think of us as your in to the industry. I hope I have the opportunity to welcome you to the program soon.